Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Does AI, the channel where we test and explore the smartest AI tools out there. Today, it's Gemini versus ChatGPT, and we are putting them to the test with 9 tricky riddles to find out which AI is actually smarter. So grab your brain, hit that like button, and let's begin the battle. So here's how it works. I'll ask the same riddle to both Gemini and ChatGPT. Each AI gets one chance to answer. You decide who gives the better response, and I'll give my result at the end. So let's go. Here we picked our first riddle. What is full of holes but still holds water? So let's put it into tools and let's see what is the result. So we are putting in into both and let's see what happens. Okay, so I think both the tools gave us the same answer and both nailed it. Okay, so it was an easy start. Let's move towards the second question. What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it? So put it into chat. Let's see what happens. I think it's also an easy one, so both are going to answer the same. So Gemini gave us answer as promise. ChatGPT also a promise. So once again, they both nailed it because it's an easy start. So okay, let's move to the third one. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? So this looks some pretty quite tricky puzzle. So put it into chat. The both. ChatGPT answer is future. Let's move to the Gemini's answer. Gemini answer is also future. Once again, 3-3 in the points table is still same. So move towards the fourth question. What can run but never walks? Has a mouth but never talks? Has a head but never weeps? Has a bed but never sleeps? So let's put it into both tools and let's see the answer. ChatGPT's answer is river. Gemini answer is also river. Both the tools once again gave us the same answer. Move towards the fifth question and let's put it into the chairs. Our fifth question is the more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? The ChatGPT's answer footsteps, and I hope Gemini would answer the same. Footprints. Yes, the answer is quite same as the answer. Move towards the sixth question. So the sixth question is with pointed fangs, I sit and wait. With piercing force, I crunch out fate, grabbing victims, proclaiming might, physically joining with a single bite. So it looks a very tricky and quite difficult puzzle, but both tools are very upgraded and advanced now. Let's see the answer, what they gave. ChatGPT's answer is Stapler, which is the right answer, and same as the Gemini. So let's move towards the question number 7. It is a combination of a bunch of words. So let's see what these both tools answer it. So put it into chat and let's see what's the answer. ChatGPT's answer is time. So Gemini's answer is also same. Okay, so we'll move towards the second question, means the eighth one. Eighth question is if you break me, I'll not stop working. If you can touch me, my work is done. If you lose me, you must find me with a ring soon after. What am I? Let's see what I've put in both. Let's see. Okay, the answer of Gemini, ChatGPT's is heart. ChatGPT's answer is heart, and Gemini's answer is phone call. Here we have got a result of the strength of these tools, which is powerful and which is more upgraded. Okay, so there's a difference. ChatGPT's answer is a heart, and Gemini's answer is a phone call. But you'll be surprised because the actual answer is ChatGPT's answer, which is heart. So this point goes to ChatGPT. We have the final question, after which we'll decide the winner. And if we got a tie, we'll have a bonus round for both. Let's see what is the answer of the last question. Let's put the last question. So the ninth question is, what word in the English language does the following? The first two letters signify a male, the first three letters signify a female, the first four letters signify a great, while the entire word signifies a great woman. What is the word? So it is a tricky puzzle question and the English letter. Okay, so let's put in into both tools and what is the result? Putting it into ChatGPT and also in Gemini. So it brackets down the word heroine. Okay, Gemini's answer is heroine, and I think ChatGPT will also answer the same because it's easy. Okay, so both the tools gave us the same answer. Here's the final result. According to the ninth questions, the ChatGPT's answer were all correct. 9 points to ChatGPT and 8 points to Gemini due to the eighth question, which Gemini gave us the wrong answer, a phone call, which was actually answer heart. Okay, that was a fun one. I hope you enjoyed watching that as much as I enjoyed testing these tools. The world of AI is moving fast, and there is much cool stuff out there. I'm here to explore it all and break it down in ways anyone can understand. If you want to stay in the loop with the latest tools, smart tips, and a little AI fun, go ahead and subscribe, drop a like, and don't forget to turn on notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments what surprised you in today's video. What should I try next? Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep asking, does it AI? Thank you so much.